Hello, and welcome to Acts Christian Church, the Children's Corner. And today we're going to be reading Someone at the Door. Mother, there's someone at the door. How often have you heard this? And the mother comes hurrying out of the kitchen, patting her hair and drying her hands with a towel. Perhaps she has said to you, quickly now, put your toys away. Are your toys put away? Tidy up things. It may be the minister. Then the visitor turned out to be, guess what? Guess who? A mailman. Or it was a salesperson. Or it was a next door neighbor. And what did the next door neighbor want? They wanted a lawnmower. Someone's at the door. Jesus says again, behold, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in. That anyone includes you. Are you listening to that knock on the door? He won't open the door himself because he is a perfect gentleman. He is so polite. Anyway, the latch is on the inside and you have to lift it. Maybe you can hear the knock on the inside of your heart. Can you? There's someone at the door. Who's at the door? Someone very lovely, very kind, and very dear. He really is. Don't leave him standing there. Don't keep him waiting outside. Is your room tidy? Fling wide the doors and welcome him. Jesus says, I'm glad you've come. Please come live in my heart. I think that is so beautiful. Have you asked Jesus to come live in your heart? I hope you have. And I hope you enjoyed the story. Have a fantastic day.